come with me to Bunnings where I'm gonna get some flowers and stuff. I don't know. I came here to look for some like fruits and veggies and also check out the little discount spot. And I did check out the little discount spot, but like I didn't see much here. Like I actually expected more. Usually there's a lot more around, but this season Bunnings is just basic. I don't know. But anyway, we'll have a little look-see at these. There's a few natives, which is pretty cool. Like native plants everybody should have. It supports the environment. And I guess, yeah, like I just saw not much compared to what I would usually buy. I feel like, I guess local plant places are a lot better these days. So we got all these flowers and stuff. I don't know, like there's a lot of cottage flowers, which I like these, but they died out on me really quickly, so I don't think I'll get those this time. But yeah. And so I just keep looking around and keep apparently putting my finger over the screen. I just got this GoPro like thing, so I'm testing it out. So I thought that I'd play around with it today, and I'm not sure how the footage is or not. I saw these flowers, they're cute, but I can get them cheaper, so I decided not to. And here's some more natives. I feel like Australian natives are important, so I went and looked at the seedling section as well. And we're back to my driveway. So I'm carrying these in a box because they put them in a box, which was kind of awkward to get home. So I would have preferred to put them in my bag, but they insisted, so they were trying to be nice, so more natives, wheat. So these are all of the flowers that I got. As you can see, some of them are a little bit sad, but that's because I got them from the Bunnings abused section. And this is probably where I'm going to put them. I got some melon seeds as well, so if I try them, yeah.